Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run eFootball on low-end PCs. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements. Next, update your graphics drivers to the newest version available from your card's manufacturer, like NVIDIA or AMD. Finally, close any programs running in the background, such as web browsers or chat applications, to free up valuable system resources for the game. These initial steps are crucial for a smoother experience. Once in the game, head to the Settings menu to make some critical adjustments. Lower your display resolution to something like 1280 by 720 pixels for a significant frame rate boost. Set all graphics quality options, including textures and models, to low or very low. Also, turn off visually intensive features like anti-aliasing, shadows, and motion blur to further reduce the load on your graphics card. These changes will greatly improve performance. Beyond in-game settings, some system-level tweaks can help. Go to your Windows Power options and select High Performance to ensure your CPU and GPU are running at their full potential. If you have a traditional hard drive, not a solid-state drive, defragment it regularly to optimize file access. Also, keep your operating system updated. These updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can benefit gaming. For advanced users, consider third-party optimization tools, but use them carefully as they can sometimes cause instability. Physically clean your computer's internal components, especially fans and heatsinks, to prevent overheating. Overheating can lead to thermal throttling, which reduces performance. Regularly monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures using monitoring software to ensure they stay within safe operating limits for consistent gaming performance. This proactive maintenance is key.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.